Hey there, curious minds. Have you ever wondered why bees buzz? Bees buzz because of their rapid wing movements. They flap their wings about 200 times per second. Bees also spread pollen from flower to flower, helping plants grow and make delicious fruits for us to enjoy. Now, let's learn about the incredible elephant. Elephants have an amazing trunk that they use like a versatile tool, and their tusks are actually long, specialized teeth. Did you know? Elephants love to splash around in water to cool off and have fun. Hello, little explorers. Now, we're unraveling the mystery of the chameleon. Chameleons have eyes that can move independently, allowing them to look in two different directions at once. Greetings, stargazers. Ever wondered why stars twinkle at night? Stars twinkle because their light passes through our planet's atmosphere, creating a twinkling effect. Did you know? Some ancient cultures used constellations to tell stories and navigate. Hello, young adventurers. Today, let's dive into the fascinating world of penguins. Penguins have a special way of staying warm. They huddle up in groups to share body heat. Guess what? Penguins are amazing underwater acrobats, and some can fly through the water at incredible speeds.